Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Joshua Alano. So in today's video, we'll be looking at GitHub. What is GitHub? So GitHub is I know you can see the guy with the confused image there. So GitHub is a web-based decentralized version control system. So it kind of provide a repository hosting service that allows developers to store, manage, and share their code with other developers. So why do we need GitHub? So because it provides platform for developers to collaborate, manage code, and build software projects more efficiently and effectively, it has become an essential tool that all developers need to learn. That is it. So guys, let me quickly show you what it is here. Okay, so if you come here and say GitHub, um, first link, click on it. So I think I'm logged in already. So let me sign out. Okay, so here is a beautiful interface for GitHub. So if this is your first time of coming here, what you need to do is to click on this sign up button. Click on the sign up button and it will print out some beautiful animation for you. So click on it and let's await it. So enter email address. So let me quickly enter my email address actually. Okay, continue. Um, use, sure, I know. No, at the bottom. Okay, identical. Good. Identical. Good. So we are all set. We are all set. Okay, so let me just save here as well. And let me quickly go and get my code. Get my code. So the code is so just insert your code as well. Just insert your code as well. This is it. Welcome to GitHub. If you made it through to this stage, I congratulate you. So in my next video, I'll be making um, videos on how to create repository, how to navigate GitHub. Thank you.